Morgan here. So today I have some ideas on kits that we can make with the Altoids Smalls. Now, before we even get started, you may be asking, why the heck would I make anything with these Altoids Smalls when I could just get the regular size Altoids tin and, make a whole, kit. Basically, probably put all of this in that one. Well, I really like these Altoids Smalls. Mainly for the purpose that I was finding these fit exceptionally well in like my Maxpedition pouches. Those little pouches that don't have a lot of room, but you still want to get a good amount of stuff in there. I could put like a little bit of something, a very specific something in this kit, and then I could just go put it in my Maxpedition pouch, or maybe I want to throw this in my purse. Maybe I just want something very specific. But I don't want that whole, big Altoids tin as a multi-purpose kit, but I just want something that's very specific, or maybe a few things that are very specific. So let's get into my ideas. All right, so first of all, I want to say a big thank you to Bobo, one of my subscribers. He's been just an awesome person. He's just been so helpful, and he actually sent me a whole bunch of these Altoids Smalls recently. I can find them at Target and Walgreens. It's 50 cents more at Walgreens. So it's $1.50 at Walgreens to get this, and it's $1 at Target. But really, that's the only two places that I've been able to find them, probably online. But he was so generous. He heard my plight in my last video and of making one of these Altoids, and he decided to send me about it. So thank you so much. Also, when you're making these, save the actual peppermints, please. Don't throw them away. These are really good. I still eat them. I put them in my car and I just take them out of this bag and eat them. But yeah, it's a lot, of course, but save them, man. All right, so one that I've already done is the candle, and this candle is still awesome. I love it. I'll put a link down below to where you can go see it, but I still love this candle. The next idea is going to be medications. So any type of medications, you could really fill this full. You could fill it with multiple medications, whatever you want, for pet medications, whatever. And then what I would do is probably write in here, or put a piece of paper or something in which you can write and then, take it off and whatever, reuse to write down expiration dates, or when you placed it in here, or what type of medication is in here, some stuff like that. All right, the next one is going to be a fire kit. You can actually fit quite a lot of fire related stuff in here. So like you could put a few matches, and then you could this is waxed jute twine. You could put a couple of these in there. Just fold them up. There you go. And then this is a striker for the matches. You could tape that right up there. You could also do the Tic Tac fire starters in there, nice and small. And then you could also do, this is from Wazoo Survival. This is a ceramic striker with a ferro rod. Now these work really good. I have these on the bushcraft necklace and they work awesome, and they would fit perfectly in there. I have other plans for these specifically, but this is just to give you an idea of a sort of striker, besides just matches. But you could fit a lot in there. As you can see, I can fit much more in there. You could do fatwood shavings. Just the ideas are endless with that. All right, the next one is going to be salve. Now, this is my homemade salve. I bought these little tins, but this little bit of salve can easily fit in one of these Altoids tins. This is $1. I think these were a little bit more, but yeah, you could just make your own salve and then just have your own salve for first aid. Next up is going to be the good old Char Cloth. I would suggest denim, put it right in there. I could actually fit a couple more pieces, drill a hole in the top, and there you go. You got your Char Cloth. The next idea is going to be a fishing kit. So you can put some lures, some weights, whatever kind of weights. Let's see, a couple of these. And then as string, you could use this waxed floss, or you could try to put just kind of tighten, fishing line actually in here. I bet it could fit. Lastly is going to be like a little Arrowhead Spear type of kit. This was actually given to me by the Thunder Mountain. He actually made this. Beautiful. So that fits right in there. The P38 fits in there. And then you could fit some tape in there. And that would all successfully make a spear or arrowhead or something like that. You could also, instead of the tape or along with the tape, you could put some of this waxed floss, which will be really good to wrap the feathers and everything like that. So there you have it, 7 ideas on what you can do with these Altoids Smalls. So I really like these little small Altoids tins. I like that they can be for very specific purposes. You know, you don't have to be crazy with this. And also, Grim Survival makes small ones that can fit in these little tiny Altoid tins. So you can actually have like a whole survival card and you can fit like a bunch of them in there. So you can have like those little small survival cards and put them in there. And that's also a great resource as well. You know, I think that we are only limited by our imagination. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today, and I'll see you tomorrow.